Hi, Dr. Pelto. I just want to go over one of my best resources in the marketplace for Athena. It's called Patient Education Genius. I don't see many people have really been using this yet, but this is my favorite uh, add-on, and I'd like to show you how it works a little bit on this browser here. This is a test patient. After I see them, I can either do this, or I can even do this without seeing them. I click third-party applications, and then I have the ones that I use here, but my favorite one is Patient Education Genius. This will open up my Patient Education Genius information. And here you can see on the left, I have all the diagnoses that I see, like Achilles tendonitis, athlete's foot, bunion, calluses, things like that. So I have all the folders on the side. And then I have the content, and I have some favorites. So for example, I can send them a little thank you note. And if they're here for Achilles tendonitis, I can do a little handout. If they want to get some things on Amazon because they can't come into the office, I want to give them calf stretching, information about shockwave, foam rolling, a little video I did on Achilles tendonitis, something about trigger point tools, whatever you want to do, you can send it. And then what you do is you click send here, and then it has their email or the text message. And basically it has everything that's going to be sent to them, and it sends it to them. And the cool thing is, once it sends it to them, it'll pop up either as a text message on their phone or an email, and it'll send a couple of repeats. But it has another kind of a neat function too. If you can see the pictures here, it looks like this on the phone, and then it actually repeats if they don't fill it out. It'll send it back to them. And then also it has a way it can request reviews online. So for example, it'll send, hey, did you have a good visit? It said yes, and then it'll say, would you mind giving a review on Google? And so that's kind of a neat thing as well. So hope you found that helpful.